Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, but it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that really today's not the right term. More so this afternoon was a very nice move on the bullish part. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes, so you can see late in the day there's a big volume that came in, and the price made a very, very nice move. I mean, before all this volume came in, the price was down around here, but it ultimately closed up around there. So any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made some progress here and had a nice afternoon. But that does now lead to the very logical question, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is there any sort of genuine power behind this move, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but the good news is by using charts, we can make answering that very straightforward, like I said. And it all revolves around this red line here and a good old-fashioned rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. And especially in this case, you want to see it act as support, because if the price were to fall below here, or were to separate to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time if that were to happen? Not saying it will, but let's just pretend. That would literally be putting the price right back in that range where it already was. And I'm assuming I'm going to insult your intelligence when I say that price movements that are the start of something bigger, that do have something, genuine strength behind it, well, the price is going to keep on getting bigger. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress. The price is not going to go back to where it was, and going quote unquote back to where it was is what I'm defining as breaking down through $1.35 and, sinking back downwards. Whereas let's say something like this happens where the price, does pull back a little bit, but then, does something like that and heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. You picture each of these as stair steps, and you have stair steps now progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward, and I'm quantifying the statement make progress as $1.35. So very, very interesting afternoon. No doubt about it. The bulls made a move. Now it's just a question of, can they build upon this move? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.